In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add your own filter and feature to the program. Now, in order to do this, you will need to have a little bit of MATLAB background. So let's close Feature Finder, and then in MATLAB, open up a feature template. So let's navigate through to the Feature Finder home directory, locate the Features folder, and then featuretemplate.m. We'll open this file, and if we scroll down, we can see there's actually a step-by-step guide on how to create your own feature. First thing we're going to do is resave this file with a new name. We're going to call it target max because this feature that we're creating is going to return the maximum value in the target window. Then we're going to rename the function, and we're going to take a look at the different variables we have to work with. NData is the data from which we're going to be extracting a feature. FS is the sampling rate. NBL range are the samples corresponding to the baseline window, and NTarget range are the samples corresponding to the target window. NFeature is the output variable that we're going to put our feature in at the end of the code. So the next thing we're going to do is just add in a feature description. So the maximum value in the target window. Then we're going to get to the code. So what this code has to do is figure out the maximum value of the data in the target region. And that'll do it. We'll then put that in a variable with a meaningful name. And then we're going to put that value into our output variable NFeature. And that's it. So let's save this file. Go back to our command window and load up Feature Finder again. Now, when we open up a profile and look in the Features dropdown, we'll see there is our new feature. So 142.6936, which corresponds to this highest point here. Now we're going to add in a new filter, but we're going to do it a little bit differently. We can see that already provided with Feature Finder is an RMS 50 filter. What we're going to do is use this as a model and create a new RMS filter. So once again, we'll close down Feature Finder and then open an M file. So let's navigate through to the Feature Finder home directory, open up the filters folder, but instead of opening up filtertemplate.m, we're going to open up rms50.m. So now let's resave this, but with a new name. We'll call it rms100. And then basically all we're going to do is change all the 50s to 100s. So we'll change the function name here, we'll change the description, and then finally we'll actually change the 50 milliseconds in the code. We're going to save this. And now when we open up Feature Finder and load a profile, we'll see that in the filter dropdown, there is our new filter. So before we select it, let's just focus just on the process data. This is what the data looks like with a 50 millisecond sliding window filter. And here's what it looks like with our new filter. And that's it for customization.